Good morning, dear student. Today we are discussing about the very first chapter of physics, class 12, electric charge and field, which is a topic which is a part of electrostatic. So we should try to understand what is the meaning of electrostatics. So electrostatics, it is a branch of physics in which we deals the study of charge which are at rest condition. Please note that it is the branch of physics in which we deals the study of charge which are at रेस्ट कंडीशन। मीन्स इसका मतलब ये है कि इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स में हम लोग चार्ज की जो स्टडी करते हैं और चार्ज भी आपका रेस्ट कंडीशन में होना चाहिए, मूविंग कंडीशन में नहीं होना चाहिए। या इन अदर वर्ड वी कैन से दैट चार्ज आर स्टेशनरी। ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज चार्ज? It is an intrinsic property. It is an intrinsic property of matter. It is an intrinsic property of matter, or we can say that, it is the fundamental property of matter. It is the fundamental property of matter. There are two types of charges. One is positive charge and other is negative charge. We all know that a proton has positive charge. A proton has positive charge and an electron has negative charge, and a SI unit of charge is Coulomb, which is denoted by capital C. Okay, now next topic is properties of charge, which is very important topic for our board examination class 12. Please mark this topic. First property, that is like charges repel each other. And number two, unlike charges attract each other. मीन्स अगर आपके पास दो चार्जेस हैं और दो चार्जेस पॉजिटिव हैं तो ये हमेशा आपस में रिपेल करेंगे। सिमिलरली अगर दो चार्जेस आप पास निगेटिव हैं तो ये दोनों ही हमेशा रिपेल करते हैं, याद रखिएगा। Unlike charges attract to each other means if you have two charges and first charge is positive and other charge is negative, then these charge always attract to each other. Okay, next, and the number 3 property, quantization of charge. What is the meaning of quantization? Quantization means anything which is available in a fixed amount or packet form. Okay, now charge is quantized and the charge on body and the charge on body will be will be some integral multiple of electron. Okay, or charge on body can never be 1/3 electron, 1.5 electron, एक्सेट्रा। इसका मतलब यह है क्वांटाइजेशन ऑफ चार्ज में आप ये समझ लीजिए कि जो हमारा चार्ज किसी भी बॉडी पे ट्रांसफ़र होता है या चार्ज होता है किसी बॉडी पर, वो हमेशा इंटीग्रल मल्टीपल ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन होगा। दैट मीन्स या तो 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन